Hello lovelies, welcome back. Today I share how to wash and preserve my bitter leaves. It's not easy to find fresh bitter leaves where I live, so whenever I see the opportunity I usually buy, wash and preserve in my freezer for my soups. I actually bought it fresh, but because of time I couldn't wash it fresh. I was too busy at the time I bought it. As you can see, the color is not fresh, but it's not bad for me because I like it wilted so that after washing it will remain intact without squashing. You guys, this is a lot of work, but trust me, it's worth it at the end. Homemade is the best. Having control over what you are eating, ranging from picking the right leaves to the water you are using to wash it. You can also find frozen or dried bitter leaf where I live, but this one I always grab the opportunity whenever it's available. Next, I will start washing. I will wash in batches and I will be washing with room temperature water. I will begin to wash it like this without squashing it. I will press it down like this. With little pressure, I will keep washing until foam starts coming out. I will strain it when I have so much foam, and I will add fresh water and continue to wash it until the foam reduces. The reason why I'm pressing it down like this is because I want the bitter leaf to be intact. I don't want it to squash. There are soup that doesn't need squash bitter leaf, like original bitter leaf soup. You want the bitter leaf to appear long and not squashing. Appearing long in soup makes the soup looks very attractive. As you can see, the water is very dark. I will keep washing until it appears lighter. At this time the water is lighter. The next stage is to add enough water in my cooking pot and transfer the bitter leaf in there. Add salt. The salt will help to settle any sand at the bottom of the pot, and I'm going to allow it to come to a boil. Boiling the water leaf will help to reduce excess bitter taste. You can choose not to if you really want it bitter. Once that is done, I will sieve it like this. Next, I will take it to my sink, run cold water, wash it the last time. You guys, I know for some people washing bitter leaf is a very big work, but trust me, it's worth the whole stress. Next, I will store in my Ziploc bag and put it in my freezer. I hope you learned something from today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye.